Diaper refill bags 35 packs 1 box. Baby bathing with by Honamamo is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. Hello everyone, this is Honamamo diaper pail refill bags. Thank you for your choosing the Honamamo diaper refill bags. The manufacturer has updated the new model and material, blue bag and green rings different from other follower. It's very thankful all the customer feedback them to improve the item. The most important with 2 things, keep the smell inside. Split down with full bag. Now the manufacturer used the flexible pure pay and strong plastic part. Just keep the sides of the plastic as sealed. It's available for MCKLT pail. To prevent rupture, these diaper disposal bags are made specifically pay layer and green rings which made a friendly environment material for the Arm & Hammer diaper pail by MCKLT. It uses the odor busting duo of baking soda and a self-sealing lid to keep baby's room smelling clean. Each diaper pail bag holds up to 1,050 counts diapers and snaps shut, locking odors away and allowing for quick, easy tossing, no cutting or tying required. Fully compatible with MCKLT Arm & Hammer diaper pail. The manufacturer think the hassle-free diaper refill bags make your life more enjoyable. Shipping from local its fulfillment and will ship to you where you are in US continent. Hassle-free, saving money, easy to replacement with one hand. No cutting, just snap, toss and seal and tying knots in the bags. Bide your capacity more strong pay 35 bags in 1,050 count, 7 layer all is made of flexibility pay to fit the MCKLT diaper pail step. Friendly environment material blue bags and green rings are made of pure pay plastic, friendly with the manufacturer's environment, colorful with designer and package. Enjoyable life, breathe easy and comfortable in your baby's nursery knowing you have backup with the diaper pail bag refills. It keeps baby's room smelling fresh.